Hello and have a good day everyone. I'm Elmer T. Paluto, the reporter of Chapter 11, Safety, Preparedness, and Security. Yun pa ni Shannon L. Alder, one of the most important thing you can do on this earth is to let people know they are not alone. Okay? So safety refers to the practices and measures taken to protect individual life, health, and bodily integrity. The term originates from the French word sauf, meaning safe, and it signifies a condition free from harm or undesirable outcomes. Achieving an acceptable level of rest is crucial for safety. In environmental work, a safe environment with proper safeguard enhances productivity by reducing lost work hour due to hazards. So, dapat kung natay mga buhaton, unahon ginato ang safety. So, maginay pinaka mayong buhaton before. Okay, so preparedness. Disaster preparedness involves proactive measures to mitigate potential conflicts and natural disasters. So it includes planning and coordinate actions to reduce duplicate efforts, minimize risk, and save lives and livelihoods. So dapat ngun ani manggali na amid na mga possible nga mga disasters nga dili nila to mabantayan usahay, kinahanglan jud og coordinations para maka-prepare ta. This continuous integrated process utilize various risk reduction measures and resources requiring contribution across training, logistics, healthcare, recovery, and other relevant areas. Safety preparedness. The WHO, or the World Health Organizations, in 1999, Community Emergency Preparedness defines safety preparedness as readiness for emergencies, including natural disasters like typhoons, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, floods, disease outbreaks like avian flu, African swine flu, and terrorism, presa ng terrorist attack. The manual emphasizes the importance of every Filipino family having an emergency plan, kit, and communication plan, and regularly practicing and checking this for preparedness. So, ang WHO, silbing nag-remind sa tuwa nga dapat andam ta sa mga possible nga moabot nga mga disaster. For example, typhoons. So, unsa itong mga andamon o moabot ang earthquakes? Unsa itong mga angay buhaton? Okay, so, naay mga trainings, nguban, tudluan kung unsaon pag-prepare, kung pananglit na yung mga bot ng mga disasters. And example kung pananglit na ay typhoons, kay giingon ni World Meteorological Organization in 2020, typhoons are large, dako gid siya, then circular or spiral storm with violent winds. Kabalo naman gid ta basta typhoons or kanang moingon sila super typhoons, delikado gid na siya kay na ginay makusog nga hangin. So hundreds of kilometers in diameters ni siya basta typhoon. The term typhoon is specific to the Northwest Pacific. Hurricane pod is used for similar storms in North Atlantic and Eastern Central North Pacific. These storms derive their energy from processes that can create extremely powerful super typhoon. So unsay mga angayng buhaton. Ang uban ani familiar na nila kung unsay mga angay buhaton, pero sa mga wala pa mo ni mga angay natong buhaton during disasters. Stay informed, listen to official sources for instructions and updates. So kasagara maghatag na sila og updates sa tuwa, magsuroy-suroy na sila, magpaybalo nga naay-coming nga mga muna nga disaster, butang natog typhoons or naay-coming nga bagyo unsa pa na diha. Then we need to follow if unsa ilahang instructions. Follow evacuation orders, evacuate immediately if gi-instruct na diha nga papahawaan na diha nga area kay butang na to nga amo kilid sa baybay. Wala ta kabalo kung kusog ba kayo ang hangin diha or naay possible nga mag tidal wave kung pananglit naay earthquake or og typhoons manggali na amo daplin sa suba og moingon gali sila nga mo-instruct na gali sila nga papahawaan na diha dapita kay possible muapaw ang kaning tubig. So we need to follow because we need to stay safe. If you must shelter in place, stay away from windows and doors. Assist others kung kaya nimo mo assist. Pero kung dili pod, ayun na lang. After a disaster, so kung butang na to, humana ang tabong earthquake or kaning typhoons. So check for injuries. Assess injuries kung kaya nimo i-assist. Kung kabalo ka mo first aid, pwede. If necessary. Stay hydrated. O ayaw jud pawala og tubig. Avoid damaged areas. Stay away from debris and damaged structures. Kay basin butang na to naay sanga diha nga kabalion na. So kung mabantayan ninyo or naay makabantay or ikaw makabantay, so imuha na silang paybalon nga dili sila pa dul-dulon diha dapita. Kay possible og madayon na nagkabali nga igo sila. Or tanaw nimo nga murag naayuta nga hapit na landslide tungod kay naay niaging earthquake. So imo silang paybalon. So then listen to authorities, follow instructions from emergency responders. Kay mo na sila mostly nga nakabalo kung unsay angayng buhaton nato. Okay, so check on neighbors. Check your neighbors and offer assistance if needed. And that's the end of my part about this topic. And thank you.